Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin privileges and creating a quick backup. This protects your settings if you revert. Next, identify the exact media viewer name and version so you remove the correct package. Once done, close the viewer and stop background processes to avoid file locks. This prevents incomplete uninstalls. Make sure Auto Start is disabled, because lingering services can recreate entries and block file removals, and that gives you a clean state to proceed. You now perform the main removal. Use the OS uninstall utility or your package manager to remove the application package. This clears installed binaries and services. After uninstall, manually delete leftover folders, app data, /library, /usr/local, and inspect registry or plist entries for orphan keys. Then unregister file associations and reset default apps for media types so the system stops referencing the removed viewer. To finish, reboot the system to flush locks and confirm no related services or processes restart. This finalizes removal. After reboot, reset default media handlers and clear thumbnail or icon caches so file previews reference the new app. If files remain, run a targeted cleanup. Safe mode removes locks, and specialized removal tools or manual registry edits handle stubborn entries. If an uninstall fails, follow safe mode removal, and then reinstall then uninstall as a fallback to repair broken uninstallers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.